When a hybrid battery pack eventually fails on an older vehicle, a new battery can cost more than the vehicle is worth. In most cases, the only reliable, cost-effective solution is a professionally remanufactured replacement battery pack. And no one has more experience and expertise in this area than Dorman. Dorman was the first company to restore hybrid batteries for the commercial aftermarket. As more of these vehicles have aged, we have also evolved our processes to offer more trustworthy solutions than ever before. Our fully refurbished and upgraded batteries come from Dorman's own advanced remanufacturing facility in Sanford, North Carolina, where we have invested heavily to continue improving our best-in-class remanufacturing process. Each of our packs begins with a thorough inspection of the original battery, followed by a disassembly to repair the metal and begin testing on the core. We run the battery cells through a strict, proprietary analysis and optimization process. While some suppliers simply replace failed cells, Dorman removes, measures, and remanufactures each individual cell, discarding thousands every year that do not meet our standards, only retaining the most viable cells. The modules are cataloged using a multi-dimensional grading process in a robust cell library that we maintain. Custom Dorman software then analyzes the unique characteristics of each module in our inventory to select the specific cells that will perform ideally together in a new battery pack. From there, the cells go through yet another testing gateway where we use extremely precise technology that measures open circuit voltage down to the 100,000th of a volt. This level of detail allows Dorman to identify patterns and problems invisible to lesser processes and equipment and fix these issues before the batteries leave our facility. Those that pass are reassembled and installed into the new pack. Because corrosion can also impact performance, we next perform a thorough cleaning and restoration procedure to ensure proper function. Some components are entirely replaced with new materials, such as nickel-plated bus bars and temperature sensors. We also make various improvements to prevent future failures, such as using nickel-plated flange nuts and soldering connections to prevent corrosion. Packs are then tested again twice more, including in the actual vehicle applications, to ensure real-world performance. This on-vehicle test uses the EPA standard, simulating the most demanding real-world conditions. After each pack has been proven to perform, protective housings are fully assembled and bolted together, and packs are shipped made to order to maximize cell retention. The result is a fully remanufactured and rigorously tested replacement battery with Dorman's 1-year warranty, guaranteeing it free of defects in materials and workmanship. That's why when you need a reliable, cost-effective hybrid battery pack replacement, check Dorman first.